Picture this. It's a random Tuesday night. You're sitting on your couch, scrolling on your phone, and you decide to check your bank account, not because you want to, but because you kinda have to. And the numbers look like this: $2,300 on one credit card, $4,800 on another, and $12,000 in student loans. Every month, you tell yourself, this time, I'm gonna make real progress. But by the end of the month, almost nothing changes. You pay $300, and your balance barely drops. And you're just sitting there thinking, how is this even possible? Then you hear people online say, just make more money. Sounds nice, but let's be real. Not everyone can double their income overnight. So the real question is, how do you get out of debt faster with the income you already have? Because here's the truth. Getting out of debt is not just about income. It's about strategy and behavior. And once you understand that, everything starts to change. First, you need to understand this. Debt isn't just about how much you owe. The real problem is interest. Most credit cards charge around 20% interest. That means if you owe $5,000, you're paying about $1,000 a year just in interest. That's around $80 every single month, gone. So if you pay $150, half of it disappears into interest. That's why it feels like you're not moving forward. And when people don't see progress, they lose motivation. That's how people stay stuck in debt for years. Now here's the shift. The problem isn't how much you're paying, it's how you're paying it. Strategy 1. Focus your payments. Most people spread their money across all debts. That doesn't work well. Instead, use the Debt Avalanche method. Pay minimums on all debts, and put extra money toward the one with the highest interest rate. Once that's gone, move to the next. This saves you the most money over time. But if you need motivation, use the Debt Snowball method. Start with the smallest debt first. Why? Because quick wins build momentum, and momentum keeps you going. Hidden trick. Most people think they don't have extra money, but in reality, they're leaking money every month. Subscriptions, apps, random spending. If you redirect even $200 a month, a debt that would take 15 years could be gone in 3 to 4 years. Same income, better direction. One more trap: lifestyle creep. As soon as things feel better, people start spending more, and the cycle repeats. So keep it simple. Don't take on new debt. Simple plan. Pick Avalanche or Snowball. Cut small expenses and redirect money. Roll your payments forward. This is called payment stacking. And over time, your progress speeds up fast. Here's the truth. Getting out of debt isn't exciting. It's repetitive. It's boring, but it gives you something powerful. Freedom. Freedom to choose your life. Freedom to take risks. Freedom to build your future. If you feel overwhelmed right now, remember this. You don't need to fix everything today. Just start. One step, one payment, one win at a time. Because real change comes from small, consistent actions.